Hey, topping Airlines Math and History, and we're gonna do a video on putting things in standard form with polynomials. So, in the previous videos, we have been learning how to add and subtract polynomials and what are polynomials. But when we try to put them in standard form, it is a good idea to put equations in standard form because it helps people understand what polynomials are and where goes what. It helps make the math a little bit easier. It's almost the same thing as simplifying, but you're not really trying to do the math. You're trying to put them in certain places by order to understand it. So this right here is not in its standard form. When we look at standard form, and when we look at polynomials, with polynomials, we'll probably see a lot of variables with exponents, and sometimes numbers that are whole numbers. So what we're gonna do is rearrange it as 2x cubed plus 7, because what you want is the variable first, then you'll want the number second. Here's another example. So in this example, we have a 2x plus 9 minus 2x cubed. What we want to do is rearrange the problem, but since the last one we had the variable first, then the number second, the problem is there are two variables. So which ones do we do first? The first thing we gotta do is do this one first, because it has exponents. Having an exponent in a variable is what's gonna make it come first. So we're gonna write negative 2x cubed plus 2x, because that's the next variable, plus 9. There is one more example where there might be an outcome where you might have more variables. So this is our last example. 2x cubed minus that by 10 plus 5x plus 5x to the power of 8. So the problem with this one is, since we want exponents first, we have two variables with exponents. What do? So the first thing we do is have the much larger exponent first, then have the much smaller exponent second, then the regular variable the third, and the number the fourth. So we have 5x to the power of 8, add that by 2x to the power of 3, then we add that by 5x, subtract that by 10. The bottom equation we just wrote is what we like to call its standard form. What we did is rearrange this equation into this to help us understand it more better, and it helps us understand it and know where everything is. That is the examples and the scenarios why we put polynomial expressions in its standard form. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching Taiping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe!